Thank you. I came to have my teeth fixed because I had a lot of damage done in my jaw and what have you, and so I needed complete implants, and I was a little bit nervous about the procedure, but having come here, same day smile, I was super happy with the education that I received in the beginning, telling me everything that I should expect. But I was mostly happy with the service that I received because both Dr. Clark and Dr. Ash made me feel like this was that I was a patient that they really, really wanted to take care of, and the perfection that they wanted in fixing the damage I had and creating this beautiful smile that I have now. I just felt like every single time I came to see them, it was the finite detail that they wanted to make sure was just absolutely perfect. And the staff was fabulous. I always felt like they were as excited as I was to have the work done. Before, there was a lot of things I couldn't chew. I couldn't chew anything hard. Now I can chew anything I want. Before, my smile was not pretty. It was, my teeth were getting crooked, they were moving in, but I also had this damage up here, and there was a lot of work to be done. But now I can eat anything I want, as far as I feel a lot more confident in my smile and in pictures, and obviously to do a video. And the procedure along the way, they kept me educated in knowing what I should expect, and they checked in with me all the time to make sure that I was on track and that I was feeling okay, and I felt so well cared for the whole way through, everybody I talked to. If I had any apprehension of doing it in the beginning, it was mostly because I wasn't sure what to expect, but I would highly recommend it. I highly recommend, and to do everything that they tell you to do from beginning to end. I got great instructions on how to take care of my teeth and everything, and I could not be happier. And to know now that I'm going to have a beautiful smile for the rest of my life is really, really exciting to me. And I can't recommend Dr. Ash and Dr. Clark and his entire staff enough. They're fabulous, and don't hesitate. I'd follow their direction anytime.
So much.
I kind of rambled, but you
Alright.
got it.
And then